juicy mushroom-topped lamb meatloaf. Try a fresh twist on a classic family favourite. This lamb meatloaf is tender, juicy and full of flavour. To start, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then take a loaf pan that's about 10 centimetres by 20 centimetres, grease it and line the base and sides with baking paper, allowing the long sides to overhang. Place a large non-stick frying pan over a high heat and heat about half your oil. Add your cut mushrooms and cook until they're golden, stirring occasionally so that they don't stick. This should take about 6 minutes. Once the mushrooms are done, transfer them to a heat-proof bowl. Heat the remaining oil in the pan and repeat this process with your brown and white flat mushrooms, cooking for about 6 minutes or until they're tender. Next, combine the onion, carrot, garlic, mince, egg, breadcrumbs, oregano and harissa in a large bowl, and then add the cut mushrooms. Using your hands, mix until everything is well combined and season with salt and pepper. Press the mince mixture firmly into the prepared pan and top with your flat mushrooms. Place the meatloaf on a baking tray and pop in the oven to bake for about 40 minutes or until the meatloaf is cooked through. Once it's ready, set aside in the pan and let it rest for 15 minutes. At this point, we can make the harissa yogurt that we'll be serving with our meatloaf. To start, gently mix the yogurt and the extra harissa in a small bowl, just enough to marble. To serve, transfer your meatloaf to a serving tray and sprinkle with oregano leaves. Cut into slices and allow everyone to help themselves to the harissa yogurt. This rich and tender dish goes wonderfully with green vegetables like sugar snap peas and snow peas. It's sure to become a new family favourite.